English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 10. Responses to bad news. I caught a cold. How would you reply? What would a native say? Get well soon. Get well soon. I failed the exam. What's a more natural reply? What would people usually say? I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. I lost my wallet. What would friends say? What do people actually say? That sucks. That sucks. I made a big mistake at work. How could you keep it short? How would a native put it? Don't be too hard on yourself. Don't be too hard on yourself. I missed my train. What would you say here? What's the natural response? It happens. It happens. I cracked my phone screen. What's the most common reply? In everyday conversation? That's rough. That's rough. I have to miss work today. What's the natural reply? How would a native answer? Take it easy. Take it easy. My dog passed away. What if it's casual? What do people usually say? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. My flight was cancelled. What's a natural one-liner? What would you say in English? That's too bad. That's too bad. I broke up with my partner. Here's another common reply. What would you say? I'm here if you need me. I'm here if you need me. I lost my important files. What's a short reply? How would a native respond? That's awful. That's awful. I didn't get the job. How would you encourage someone? What do people actually say? You'll get the next one. You'll get the next one. I had such a terrible day. How would you show you care? How would you say it? Tomorrow will be better. Tomorrow will be better. I overslept and was late. Ready for one more? What's a native-like reply? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We lost the big game. What's a great way to finish? Ready for the last one? Better luck next time. Better luck next time. That's awful. That's awful. You'll get the next one. You'll get the next one. Tomorrow will be better. Tomorrow will be better. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Better luck next time. Better luck next time. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.